international food, but we also like British food, like this. Fish and chips.
There's a lot of great British food, but there is one really British meal. Afternoon tea. Tea with milk.
So, there's a cup of tea. What do the British have with tea?
These are scones. They're like cakes. You make them with flour, eggs and milk.
You eat them with jam and cream. We call this a cream tea.
In the USA, there is also lots of international food, but many Americans love beef burgers and French fries.
In Australia, there is one very famous dessert, the pavlova. In a pavlova, there is meringue. Meringue is like a biscuit. You make it with eggs and sugar. Then there is lots of cream. And finally, there is fruit.
A pavlova is delicious. What's your favourite food? What food do you eat in your country?